If you've ever tried generating high-quality videos from images using advanced models like Framepack, you've probably hit a major roadblock. Hardware limitations. Most users don't have access to expensive GPUs at home, and trying to run these heavy models on a standard machine can overheat your computer, slow everything down, or even cause crashes. That's where Google Colab comes in. In this video, we're going to walk through how to run Framepack on Google Colab, using Collab Pro to generate stunning AI videos from a single image. Why Collab Pro? For just around $10 a month, you get access to powerful GPUs and high RAM, enough to run not just Framepack, but also multiple video generation models and other heavy AI tools without frying your laptop. So if you haven't already, take a moment to subscribe to the Collab Pro plan. Once that's set up, we're good to go. After subscribing, head over to the main page of Google Colab and create a new notebook. Give it a meaningful name so you can easily find it later. Now, if you're a member of Zero2Launch Premium, just jump into the classroom and find the lesson titled Run Framepack on Collab Pro. Inside that lesson, we've already provided the code you need. Just copy and paste it directly into your new notebook. If you're not a premium member, no worries. You can simply follow along and type the code manually into your notebook. It's all straightforward. Before we run anything, let's tweak a key setting. Go to Runtime, change Runtime Type, and select the L4 GPU. This GPU gives us excellent computing power and high RAM, perfect for heavy video models like Framepack. Once selected, hit Connect to apply the changes. Next, you'll need to sign up for a free Ngrok account and grab your unique Ngrok token. Paste that token into the section of the Collab file where it asks for it. Then toggle the setting to activate the F1 model. This is the latest version of Framepack, and it offers much smoother motion and overall better video quality. What this setup does is expose Framepack via a public URL, so you can access the UI from anywhere. Pretty cool. Alright, now comes the fun part. Just hit Run on the notebook. Collab will start downloading the Framepack model and all its dependencies. After a few moments, it'll give you a public Ngrok URL. Open this URL. And boom, you're now looking at the Framepack user interface, right in your browser. From here, upload an image of your choice, type in a creative prompt, and decide how long you want your video to be. In this case, I'll generate about 8 seconds of video. Then hit Start Generation, go grab a coffee, and come back in 10 to 15 minutes. And there you have it. A beautiful, high-quality 8-second video generated entirely from a single image using just Google Colab and Framepack. No fancy PC required. This is just the beginning. Once you've got this workflow down, you can experiment with different images, prompts, or even try combining models. Framepack is powerful, and Collab Pro makes it accessible to everyone. Don't forget to save your notebook for future use, and keep exploring what's possible with AI video generation. And just like that, you've created a stunning high-quality video from a single image using cloud GPUs and open source tools. This is just one of many AI video we explore inside the Zero2Launch Premium community, where we take the most advanced tools out there and make them simple, accessible, and actionable for creators, developers, and automation enthusiasts. Inside the community, you'll get access to unlimited premium APIs, including GPT 4.1, realistic text-to-speech voices with multiple moods and tones, speech-to-text transcription, text-to-image with Flux and OpenAI's Vision API, and a whole lot more. It's a full-stack AI toolkit ready to plug into your projects without limits. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out the rest of the lessons in the AI video series. And if you're ready to take your AI automation skills to the next level, join us inside the community and unlock everything: the tools, the templates, the support, and the momentum. Your next automation breakthrough might just be one lesson away.